A highly contagious and fatal respiratory illness is rapidly spreading across the United States.
So what do we know about this disease? I'm Dr. Deer, small animal emergency veterinarian, and I've got a little bit of info about this. For the last few years, veterinarians have been reporting around the United States this weird respiratory disease, where some dogs will have coughs for up to 6 months, some of them develop pneumonia, almost all of them culture negative on PCR, meaning that they take samples, send it out to a lab, and it comes back negative with nothing really grown. Some of them do pop positive for things like mycoplasma, but this doesn't look like our typical mycoplasma cases in the past. And these dogs are not responding to antibiotics. So they're trying all sorts of different antibiotics, cough suppressants, and really not seeing improvement, with some of these dogs ending up getting like a really bad pneumonia. But we do have some good new information about what this might be. Now, like I said, for the last few years, there's been some weird respiratory diseases going around. And the University of New Hampshire's Veterinary Diagnostic Lab has been doing some work on it. This is from June, where they've been able to kind of sequence this. And they believe that it is a non-cultural bacterium that is most similar to this pathogen that has been reported in people starting in about 2021. And here's that case that they quoted. And I know a lot of reports are saying out of Oregon. This is out of New Hampshire. I've heard veterinarians talk about saying 3 to 4 cases a week in Denver. But it is snowbird season, so those of us who are in warmer climates like Arizona where I am are going to have to keep an eye out. And the other question being, is this even the same respiratory disease? Or is this some new type of canine flu coming up every year? Now, from what I've heard veterinarians say on the ground, it doesn't seem like it's fatal very often. But again, is this the same disease? Is it too soon to tell? If your pet is sick, always go to the veterinarian. And I'll give any updates as they come.